How to use Canva Video Editor feature. First of all, launch the Canva application on your device. Now, all you have to do is from the bottom Get Started option, select the video. Then you will find blank design, templates, or magic video option. Tap on the blank design option. Now, select any exact ratio over here. Then proceed to upload your video file onto this project. You simply have to assemble your footage by clicking the upload option, which you can find within the gallery option over here or uploads. Then you can also click the elements to search for Canvas library for stock footage and audio blocks. Then edit and trim on the timeline. You can trim the clips, split the clips, and also rearrange it. You can also add transitions, audio, and text. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.